If you've ever struggled with the mess of draining pasta, cooking grains, or preparing beans and veggies, you know how frustrating it can be to achieve a flawless meal. That's where this made-in stainless steel pasta insert steps in as the ultimate kitchen solution. Designed to offer precision, convenience, and durability, this premium pasta insert is your key to effortless cooking. Whether you're a novice home cook or a seasoned chef, this kitchen tool is designed to elevate your cooking experience. Key features and benefits. Premium stainless steel construction. Top-notch durability. Crafted from 5 layers of premium stainless steel, this insert guarantees long-lasting durability. It's designed to withstand high heat and rigorous use, making it perfect for everyday cooking or special occasions. Optimal heat distribution. The multi-layer construction ensures even heat distribution across the entire surface, allowing your pasta, grains, beans, or vegetables to cook perfectly every time. This means no more unevenly cooked meals. Versatile cooking convenience. Perfect for pasta and more. While this insert is fantastic for cooking pasta, it also shines when preparing grains, beans, or vegetables. The spacious design and versatile functionality make it a must-have for anyone who loves experimenting with different dishes. Fits 6 and 8 QT stock pots. The insert is specifically designed to fit both 6 and 8 quart stock pots, offering compatibility with most standard cookware in your kitchen. No need to buy a separate pot just for this insert. Mess-free draining. Easy to drain. One of the standout features of this insert is its ability to allow you to drain your food easily without making a mess. No more struggling with colanders or spilling precious cooking liquid. Simply lift the insert and you're done. Preserve cooking water for sauces and broths. When draining pasta or vegetables, you often lose valuable cooking water that can be used for broths, stocks, or sauces. With this insert, you can effortlessly preserve that flavorful liquid for future culinary use. Professional-grade build. Crafted in Thailand. The insert is meticulously crafted in Thailand, known for its tradition of high-quality cookware manufacturing. Whether you're preparing a family meal or serving guests at a dinner party, this insert is designed to meet the needs of both culinary enthusiasts and professional chefs alike. Enhanced cooking control. The 5 layers of stainless steel not only improve durability, but also allow for more precise cooking control. From simmering pasta to steaming vegetables, this insert ensures that every dish turns out perfectly. Effortless storage. Compact and easy to store. Measuring 10.75 inches in diameter with a cooking surface diameter of 7.75 inches, the insert is compact enough to store easily in your kitchen. The handle extends the length to 14.75 inches, offering a good grip, while the overall height of 6.75 inches ensures that the insert fits comfortably in your cookware cabinet. Why choose the made-in stainless steel pasta insert? Long-lasting quality. Made with premium stainless steel, this insert is not only highly functional, but built to last for years. Multi-use functionality. Beyond pasta, this insert can handle grains, beans, and vegetables, offering versatility for a wide variety of dishes. Professional performance. Crafted to meet professional kitchen standards, this insert ensures you can cook like a chef at home. Mess-free and convenient. The easy draining feature simplifies your cooking process, reducing cleanup time and preserving valuable cooking liquids. Craftsmanship you can trust. With the insert made in Thailand, you can rely on its superior craftsmanship and dedication to quality. Who would benefit from this product? Whether you're a home cook looking to elevate your everyday meals or a professional chef who requires precision, the made-in stainless steel pasta insert is perfect for anyone who takes their cooking seriously. Here's why you'll love it. Home cooks. If you love preparing family meals and need a reliable, easy-to-use insert that makes cooking pasta and grains a breeze, this is your go-to tool. Professional chefs. For chefs who need precision, durability, and high-quality equipment that stands up to the rigors of daily use, this insert checks all the boxes. Foodies and cooking enthusiasts. If you love trying new recipes, the versatility of this insert will open up endless possibilities in the kitchen. Ready to revolutionize your cooking? The made-in stainless steel pasta insert is a professional-grade kitchen tool that delivers precision, convenience, and durability with every use. Don't settle for subpar cookware. Choose the best for your kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.